We're getting real affordable today. I got you. Hey everyone, my name is Letitia and welcome back to my itty bitty channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my version of a soft glam look. This is mostly consisting of affordable products. Say this is probably like a good 90-95% affordable. Kind of feeling myself, I'm not gonna lie. If you would like to see how I got this look together, then please keep watching. We're gonna start off though with my Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Now this one is a little bit on the pricier side if you want to consider it pricey. It is $18, but it's 2-in-1, so it acts as a primer and a setting spray. I just like to use the Hydro Grip primer, the actual primer, just for extra hold for my makeup. But if you want to save a little bit of money, you can definitely invest in this and just use it as a 2-in-1 product. Also, to save some time, I went on ahead and drew my brows in off camera, and I put some concealer on my lids as a base just to make these colors pop. I haven't used this eyeshadow palette that I'm getting ready to show you guys. It's from Wet n Wild, and I haven't used it in a while. I think it's pretty pigmented, but to be safe, I just went on ahead and put some concealer on my eyelid. If you hear me sniffling a lot throughout this video, my sinuses are acting up, so I do apologize in advance. But I really wanted to talk in this video because I'm trying to get the nerves out and just get more comfortable with talking on camera versus doing voiceovers. Now we're gonna move on to foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is my tried and true foundation. If I don't have any other type of foundation available, I always keep this around. One, is very affordable. It's very lightweight, but it's also pretty buildable. So now that we're done with foundation, we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm using another Maybelline product. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm just gonna use it straight from the applicator, twist it up a little bit, and use this to conceal. Even though this is a soft glam look, I do want pretty full coverage. And just to keep my nose contour as slim as possible, I'm just gonna take a little thin brush and just draw a skinny line down my nose. Next, I'm gonna take my trusty beauty sponge from Shop Miss A, which was only $1. And I will link it down in the description box below for anyone that's interested. I definitely love Shop Miss A for their sponges, and you can't beat it for $1. So for right now, we're gonna pause on the face and get started on the eyes. And I decided to use this super affordable Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this one is called Rose in the Air. It's a really beautiful rosy themed palette. I believe it's supposed to be like a duplicate for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. That one is around 40 bucks, where you can get this palette from Target. I know I got mine from Target for like $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my blending brush and get started with a transition color in my crease. So I'm just gonna take this deep brown color here and use that to go in my crease area. I'm just gonna take that same color and actually spread it along my entire lid, just to make it not only a transition color, but a base color for my eyelid as well. And I just decided to keep the same blending brush and just go ahead and blend it all out. And if you want to kind of sharpen up the look of the outer part, I just take whatever's left on my sponge and just gently drag it along just to kind of sharpen up that eyeshadow a bit. So what I'm gonna do next is take this nice kind of gold champagne shimmer, and I'm gonna put this across my lid just to add a nice color. I don't think I said anything, but for shimmer shadows, I like to use a flat brush like this one. I feel like it packs on a lot of the eyeshadow and it really makes it easy to stand out. So I'm just able to just pack it on and really let that pigment shine through. So I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of this dark brown shade. I don't wanna put too much on because it is a pretty dark color. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna take my Maybelline, another Maybelline product. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm just gonna put a few coats of that on first. So the lashes I'm gonna use for this look is actually from Lil Mama's lash collection. I don't know why I can't talk today, but this is from her lash collection. These are her #1 lashes. I found these at my local beauty supply store and I fell in love with them because I love a dramatic wispy lash, and these were like $2.99. If you want good lashes, I highly recommend going to your local beauty supply store. And let's be real, I'm not talking about Sally's. I'm talking about like Kim's, Roots. If you're from Nashville, you know what I'm talking about. Like the hood beauty supply stores, that's where it's at. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna take my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the shade Banana, and I just poured some of it onto this little mirror here, and I'm gonna take my sponge and press that into my concealer. Slight baking method this time. I'm just gonna press a thin layer under my eyes and let it sit for just a few seconds so that my concealer can really last. Go ahead and set the chin, my nose, get the forehead a little bit, and my top lip. It's getting messy over here. Literally, by the time I put this powder on, I just take a brush and dust it away. Okay, so since I did that, I'm gonna go back in with my orange, and I'm just gonna sweep that under my eye. So now we're gonna bronze our face up as well as contour, and I'm using another one of my favorite products. This is something that I've had forever, and this is my Covergirl Queen Bronzer, and I believe it's in the shade Ebony Bronze. So this is another tried and true. I'm not sure if this is available in stores. I don't think it is anymore, but I promise y'all, if you would like to try it, I will find a link, most likely from Amazon, and I'll put it in the description box for you guys. But I'm just gonna use that to bronze up my face. And then I'm just gonna take that same blending brush from earlier. I just cleaned it off a little bit, and I'm gonna dip it into the bronzer and use that to shape out my nose. So I'm trying to get back into blush. I found my NYX Whipped Lip and Cheek. Yeah, words are not my friend today. I'm just gonna take like just a light little swipe. It might look a little crazy right now, but it actually blends out very well. So I think I'm gonna take my contour brush, the brush that I used to bronze with. I'm just gonna dust off that excess bronzer and see how well that works. Okay, so yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna blend that back. Make sure I get it nice and blended. So this is not considered an affordable product. However, to stick with the soft glam kind of theme, I wanted something, a highlight that was like a nice soft pink. And the only one that I have is currently by Fenty Beauty, and it's in the shades Chic, Phreak, and Girl Next Door. I'm pretty sure there's similar shades that are a lot cheaper. And once I find them, I will put them down below. Okay, so now for my lips, we are going to keep it simple with a nude lip, and I'm using my go-to Nicka K lip pencil in Cocoa to line my lips first, and I'm just gonna throw on a nude gloss on top. This pencil is actually really soft. It glides on really smooth, and it's another product that you can get at the beauty supply store for like $1 to $2. And for my gloss, I'm using one of my favorite affordable glosses from NYX Cosmetics, and this is going to be in the color Madeleine, and it's a really pretty nude gloss. And finally, we're going to go back into our setting spray that I used earlier. This is the Milk Hydro Grip and Set. So I used it as a primer earlier, and now we're going to set our face with it. So this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys like it as much as I enjoyed doing this look for you. If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, share, leave comments below, and let me know what you would like to see next. So yeah, this pretty much sums up the video. It's getting awkward because I don't know what else to say. Except I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.